do join political parties. But an urban and upper class setup, you have other security blankets, which for you a political party is not necessary. But membership drives happen all the time. I'll be happy for you if you're enrolled into the Congress. Lots of educated people come and say that we want to be part of a party. But you see, being a member of a political party is not like joining a Hindustan Lever, where there is a clear management program which will tell you what to do in the first month, what to do in the second month. Here you have to find your own way. And that's where I find most people from our socio-economic background.
Your visit to Indo-American Association and their enlightened talk. May I request Mr. T. Simkin to...
Thank you.
Knowledge, godliness, patriotism. These are the three virtues that we find in the biodata of this very young leader we have here today. Mr. Karthik Chidambaram, we are so pleased to have you here today. You have given us a very interesting talk on the topic and we all immensely enjoyed listening to you. So on behalf of the Indo-American Association, I thank you. As Mr. Chidambaram is an upcoming star in the political scenario of India, may I take this opportunity to wish him in the words of the author Matthew Kelly from his book, The Rhythm of Life. Do not let your life be like a shooting star which lights up the sky for only a brief moment. Let your life be like the sun which always burns brightly in heavens, bringing light and warmth to all those on earth. Let your light shine. May we wish you all the best and God bless you. Thank you, Mr. Consul General and Mrs. Simkin, for your presence here today, and it is enriching to the association. I thank Mrs. Padmanathan for graciously presiding over the function, as always, and my special thanks to the Vice President, Mr. Frank Toluto, for the interest he has taken in the activities of the association and your presence here today. Year 2008 has come to an end, but I have no words to express my gratitude to Mr. Ramdas, the stronghold of this association, for all the help he has given over the past 1 year for the benefit and upliftment of this association. He has put his heart and soul into the association, and the association has reached this caliber. Today, I thank you, sir, for all that you have done for this association, and may your tribe increase in this association. Mrs. Prema Kasturi, Mrs. Suja, Mrs. Lillian Jasper, and Mr. and Mrs. Venkatagiri for sponsoring this program. Thank you, invitees and members, for your presence and participation. Wish you all a joyous Christmas and a happy, healthy and peaceful New Year. Next meeting will be on 29th of January. Mr. Toluto will be the speaker. Thank you.